I saw this equation on YouTube. Well, it might have several ways to do it. Now, here is my way, and I would like to show and share with you. And I let a function f of x is equal to x plus 7 to the power of a 7 minus x to the power 7 plus x to 7 to the power 7. Okay, good. It means that, it means the solution of this equation is the root, the zero of this function, right? Yeah. The zero of this function is the solution of this equation. Now, we know that by inspection, f of 0 is 0. So 0 is a root of this function. And also that by inspection on f of a negative 7, if x equals to negative 7, is equal to 0. This means that 0 and the minus 7 are roots of this function, is the roots of this equation. Therefore, x and x plus 7 are factors of f of x, which means that this is the factor of f of x, and so is this. Yeah. Now we can start. Okay, f of x. We expand this one. Binomial expansion of this. And the first term is x7. The last term is 7 to the power of 7. So they cancel with this. Left over the midterms, which are 7, 1 to the power of 7, x to the power of 6, plus 7 to 7 square x to the 5, plus 7, 3, 7, 3x4, plus 7, 4, 6, 4x3, plus 7, 5, 7, 5 x squared, plus 7, 6, 6x. Yeah. Well, simply we are expanding this binomial, and this, right? The first term and last term cancel with that. So left over this. Well, then this is 7, right? 7, therefore 7 square is a common factor. 7 square, this will left over x6 plus 7 square out. This is 21, right? 21 x5, and this is a combination of a 7 chosen 3, right? That is 35. And x7 square is out. So left over 7x4 plus this one and that one the same. So 35, 7 square out. So 7 square x3 plus 7, 5, 7, 2, the same number, which is 21. 7 square is out. There's a 7 cube and x square. 7 squares out. This is a 7, right? So left over. This is a 7, and take another 7. 7, 4 left over. Yeah. Okay. It's nothing but simply taking 7 square out. The left over this. And we know that this is a factor. This is a factor of this, right? Therefore, this must be divisible by this time this. Therefore, this is a f of x is divisible by x times x plus 7, right? Because these are factors. This will be a factor of this, which is equal to x squared plus 7x. Wow. Wow, we have a big conclusion that f of x, this one, has a factor, this. Therefore, this one must be divisible by that. So we can divide this one, x6 plus 21 x25 plus 35 times 7 x4 plus 35 times 7 square x cubed plus 21 7 cubed x squared plus 7 7/4 x will be divisible by x squared plus 7x. So we can get the quotient by division, right? Perform the polynomial division. That's easy. This will be x4, right? So this is x6. This time this one is 7x fifth. Then this will be 14x5. And we're pulling down 1 plus 35 times 7x fourth. So next term will be plus 14x cubed. This one time this one is a 14x fifth plus 14 times 7x fourth. So the subtraction again. So this will be 21 7x fourth. And I'm pulling down another one plus 35. Then next term will be plus 21 7 square, right? This one time this one is this x fourth. Yeah. And plus 21 7 square x's. Then subtraction again. You get a 14, 7 square x cubed. And pulling down another one. Yeah. So next term will be plus 14, 7 square times x, right? This one times this one is 14, 7 square x cubed, plus this one times this one is 14, 7 cubed x squared. Subtraction again, so it's left over 7 cubed x squared plus 7 5x, the last term. So the last term is okay, there's no room for it. The last term is 7/4. 7/4 times this one is a 7/4 x squared. That's correct. This one times this one is 7/5 x. So okay, it's done. So therefore, finally, I have this. F of x is equal to x squared plus 7x. These are two factors times the remaining quotient, right? So this is x fourth plus 14 x cubed. 14 x cubed plus 21 7x squared plus 14x squared 7 square x plus 7/4. Wow. Finally, we have it. Because we are looking for roots. We looking for roots means looking for factors. Looking for factors means to factorize the polynomial. So far, we have done that. That's good. So this gives us two roots. This one should give us four roots, right? So the remaining job is to further factor this polynomial. Well, this is something. Okay, let's continue. Factor this one. X fourth plus 14 x cubed plus 21 7x plus 14 7 square x plus 7/4. Wow. So we want to factor that. So we get roots. So we get a solution to the equation. Now, how do we factor this one? Well, let me put 7 as a one factor. So okay, this one is equal to x fourth. Let me put a 7 as a factor. So this one is plus 2 times 7x cubed, right? Plus 3 times 3 times 7. So 7 square. 7 square x square. Yeah. This is 2, 7. There are 2, 7 qx. This is 7/4. Yeah, good. Then I consider 7x as a group. So this one is equal to x4 plus 2 times 7 square x square plus 7/4 as a one group. So what I left is this 2 7x cubed, another one 7 square x square, right? Plus 2 7 cube x. Good. That one's is easy. X square plus 7 square square. So that is this one. For that one, well, for that one, I'll how I take common factor 7x out. This one and that one, huh? 2 7x. So x square left and the 7 square left, and plus the midterm, which is 7x square. Yeah. So don't you think this is a good? This is a square. This is b square. This is 2ab. This is a. This is b. A square 2ab and b square. So that means it's a x square plus 7x. Right. Good. This is a. This is b. A squared 2ab plus b square is a plus b square. So this one is equal to a plus b. Yeah? B is this. There's an I'm sorry, it's always a square 2ab b square is equal to a plus b square. This is b, okay. So this means that x squared plus 7x plus 7 squared. Wow. To solve this one is easy, right? Just if this is equal to 0, which means x is equal to 2 minus 7 plus b squared for AC. This one is equal to minus 7 plus 7 squared taken out. Left is minus 3. So square 3i. That are the other two roots, the last two roots left over. So now conclusion. This equation has 6 roots because x7 and 7 cancel out. So 6 roots. The roots are 0 and minus 7, as we have done in the beginning. These are 2 roots. And the other 2 roots are these. 7 root xi. these are two more roots. Since this is a repeated roots, okay, so these two roots are repeated. So it simply means in multiplicity two. So we have these roots. Two roots are repeated and two more other roots for this equation. Well, it's interesting. It's not easy to solve this to solve this equation. Thank you.